Episode 27. Welcome.
Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Aaron.
No.
Oh,
You took my line. The only problem is you gotta point at yourself when you do
Oh.
it. So I'm Aaron. He's Chris.
I'm Chris.
There we go. We got her now. We're dialed. Okay, so we kind of alluded to this last week. We're gonna have an unboxing of something a little bit different on the channel. So we're gonna talk about that later. Chris, where were you all week, buddy?
I went out on the trails on Sunday with the old Traxxas TRX4. Me and a few buddies went out to Diefenbaker Park and we went along the trails for a couple hours. We beat the rain, so that was nice. We only got a little bit of it. We ended up breaking the TRX finally. I know, it's full of leaves and
You brought Mother Nature in with
it's
him.
only been half clean.
Yeah, this is brutal.
Yeah.
So we got some trailing running videos to show you as well.
I got it stuck in the mud, so we'll show you that. That's actually how it broke. We'll show you actually what broke on it too.
You're giving it away.
What? You don't want them to know what it broke?
Well, we could, I guess.
I broke the spur gear.
Oh.
It was getting thin anyway. It wore out.
Yeah, so she's a little bit worn down.
A little bit worn down in there.
So that's what, first spur gear ever?
First spur gear since I bought the truck, yeah.
How many batteries?
Have I put through the truck?
Yeah.
Oh, 20, 30, maybe more. Probably well more than that.
What do you have for motor speed control in here?
Tekken Rock 412, 3100 kV motor, and then the Mamba X speed controller.
3S? 2S?
3-cell.
Holy mackerel! No wonder you broke that spur
She
gear.
does quick.
Yeah, she's quick. So yeah, poor old Chris broke TRX4.
Cut to the footage though. Let's see the awesomeness.
Yeah, he's stuck.
Do you think so?
Maybe not. No. Oh my lord.
You guys went out and got a sweet car.
Yeah. We should do an unboxing of it.
Let's see it.
So
Get this thing out of the way.
So we're gonna do a comparison. Everyone always asks us, what's the difference between a hobby grade and a toy grade RC? So this is nothing to do with bashing the brand of this toy. We're not gonna tell you who made it. We're not gonna do anything like that because that's not the purpose of this video. So let's do a disclaimer, like right now. We are only here to show you the differences between hobby grade and toy grade, and that's it. We won't tell you what it is. We're not going to even talk about it. So just open the box.
The brand is Red Truck.
Dodge Red Truck. It's a Dodge Red Truck. Yeah, that's it. That's all we can tell you. So let's open her up. So we went and bought this yesterday, or I guess a while ago actually, if you're watching this. And we wanted it to be the most equal comparison that we could do. So this is a lithium truck. I'm not too sure yet what milliamp it is, but it is a 2.4 gigahertz controller. Has lithium batteries in it. Uh-oh. That's interesting.
What happened?
Well, I can't get it out.
Did we break it already?
No, we break it already. So, something a little bit different. Let's get all this stuff out. Something a little bit different, Deebs. So, we just got out of the box and we noticed the USB cord's kind of attached.
Is there a place to tuck it in? There's got to be.
Let's see. Nope. Yo, there is a place to tuck it in. So it looks like you charge it via USB and then like wrap it up on the inside here.
Weird.
And then like you close the battery door.
So it's
again.
Almost like that was an afterthought. They just converted it, right?
Well, maybe.
That's where the battery pack used to go.
Probably. That's kind of a neat idea.
This remote is not nice.
I don't know if I can. There you go. Okay, we're good. Okay, so as you can see, Dodge truck. It's got steering in the front. I think it might be something wrong with it. Nope, there's just no suspension.
No suspension in the front. So the front shocks are completely fake and do not work.
Yeah, the back has suspension though. That's kind of nice.
Has some spring.
Yeah, it has some spring. So as you can see, this is going to be a very plastic style RC. Yeah. Two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. So we're going to probably compare this to what, like a Wrestler?
Yeah, I'd say.
Yeah, we're probably going to compare it to a Wrestler, kind of compare apples to apples. So the lowest end hobby grade versus this toy. So the one thing that I noticed kind of right off the bat is it's not easy to take apart.
No.
Right, like they have everything very tucked away, lots of one pieces so the suspension doesn't move in the front. Mm-hmm. So it's kind of super basic, doesn't very have sloppy, great steering angle.
And the controller is very...
As you can see, the tires have a lot of play to them. So yeah, something a little bit different. So this is the controller. So kind of different from what we have in store with the pistol grip. This is an old kind of stick style radio. It doesn't seem proportionate, so you just get
strictly on or off. 100%
forward, 100% reverse, left, right, that's it. So 100% on or off. Was this 2 AA?
Yes.
So that's kind of cool. Only 2 AAs. Oh, they included it. That's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. So it's going to be kind of interesting to see what it's going to have in store for us. We're going to do a charge comparison, so how long it takes to charge, how much money it is versus a toy or hobby grade, what kind of battery time we get, things like that. We'll do speed comparison, steering, stuff like that. And honestly, we're just here to see how long it lasts. Yeah. So one thing I can tell you right now is I did do some looking this afternoon, and there are no available parts for this.
No?
None. Not from the manufacturer, nothing. So if this does have an issue, we're going to have to be gluing or trying to mod parts to fit it. So we're going to try and be a little bit careful with it and try and get as much information as possible on it before it's just kind of wrecked. So through the beginning of this episode and some next episodes prior to this, there's definitely going to be some more running videos, and we're going to see this kind of pop up through a couple more episodes later on down the road.
As long as you don't wreck it.
Well, yeah, that's the goal. That is the goal.
I want to wreck it.
So honestly, I'll tell you right now what we paid for it. It wasn't overly all that inexpensive, actually. This was $79.99 plus taxes. So we were looking at about $90 by the time it was all said and done. So compared to the Rustler, which is like a $240 truck, $250. So definitely a lot cheaper than what Traxxas offers or a couple other brands.
You definitely get what you pay for, is what it seems.
Yeah, that's so kind of my thing right off the bat, right? All the Traxxas stuff, obviously, we have parts here in stock for it to replace it, but this doesn't have any parts. So we'll see how it goes, but yeah, just keep tuned. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
There we go. Yeah, stay tuned. We got it. We got it figured. Stay tuned, and we're gonna have some more running videos of it and some more information on it to keep you guys interested in what's going on.
Doesn't steer well. We're gonna see that right now.
Full speed.
Okay, so we're gonna do some preliminary testing of this truck. So we're gonna do some top speed, acceleration, and cornering. So Deemer, take it away. He's got the controls.
Launch?
Yeah, we're gonna do a good launch, hard launch. You got
Hard
traction
launch,
on carpet.
I got launch control turned on.
Okay, ready? Oh, I didn't slow that down. We were slow. I was too fast for me.
Oh, it did a wheelie.
Nice. Okay, so now we're going to show you high-speed cornering. This is going to be at full speed, so you guys better watch out. Make sure you're paying attention to this because this is going to go by fast. So now, here's the real test. Chris is going to jump it off this nice plastic jump we got here. So we'll see how it's going to take it. So it's going to be in slow-mo so you can watch all that suspension travel do its job. This is a quick speed comparison. We grabbed one of our bone stock slashes that's been run at the Saskatoon X, the Ultra RC Dust Off, this year, last year, the year before that, Canada in the Park twice, with kind of a medium charged 3000 mAh 8.4 volt nickel metal hydride battery. So we'll just do a speed comparison. So this is in regular mode, so this is full 100%, not in trainer mode or anything like that. So let's see the difference between the toy grade and the bone stock slash two-wheel drive.
First one to the jump wins.
You calling it?
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, man. Now we're going to have a quick little race here. We're going to see who can do 2 laps first. Chris is going to drive the toy, and I'm driving the bone stock 12-turn Titan Slash. So let's see how this goes for you, bro.
You're going down, buddy.
Yeah, I'll give you a little bit of a head start.
This is the first time we've raced on the show that you've actually had a chance.
Ouch, my feels. 3, 2, 1, go.
We run it a long time, but right out of the box. It's actually lasting quite a while, but it doesn't seem to jump or do anything very well. Jumped in for the ending.
Jumped in for the ending. Okay, so that was the end of this week's episode with the toy grade versus hobby grade RC trucks. So yeah, we're gonna just continue on doing this, and we're gonna put this toy grade truck through its paces. But as you can see, definitely quite not as fast. Definitely.
I wonder how well it would do a set of staircases.
Well, maybe we can do that on the next episode.
Ooh, exciting.
Yeah. As you can see over the jumps, it didn't have very good suspension.
No, not at all. No.
Versus the Slash. But we're just going to keep doing comparison videos all the way through, and we're going to see how long this baby lasts.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it's honestly going to be fast enough to break.
We'll figure out a way.
Because I think it only does about 4 or 5 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Not even, maybe.
It's not very fast.
No.
So we'll see what happens. But we're just going to keep doing episodes with this truck until it dies, and then we'll just go from there.
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks for watching episode 27 of the Ultra RC Hobby Show. Thank you for tuning in. Oh,
Like, comment, and subscribe.
yeah. And share with all your friends so they don't miss the awesome action. But thank you for watching. See you on the next episode.